Hi, it's Lori from Recipe Girl, and today I'm going to share with you one of our favorite summertime cocktails, Slushie Watermelon Mojitos. This is a cocktail that my husband and I enjoy drinking on a warm summer evening. Sometimes it gets so thick that you need a spoon to eat it. This recipe involves lots of fresh, juicy watermelon that is frozen, and that is going to create the slushy part in these slushy mojitos. You're going to need 5 cups of chopped frozen watermelon for this recipe, and then you're gonna put it in the freezer and just let it freeze until it gets nice and solid. Once your watermelon is frozen, you're gonna pull it out and put it in your blender, and you're going to add 1 cup of sparkling water, 3/4 of a cup of white rum, 3/4 of a cup of frozen limeade that has been defrosted, and a little bit of chopped fresh mint. You're gonna blend that up until everything is nice and slushy, and then you can spoon it into glasses and enjoy. I know you guys are gonna love this. Let this be your new favorite summertime cocktail. For this recipe and more, visit recipegirl.com.